Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you a 100% trick that can help you fix your internet that is slow on Windows 10 or 11. So if your internet is slow, you're in the right place. First step is to come to the search bar here and then search for control panel. Once you search for control panel, open up the control panel application like that. Then go ahead and adjust it. And then when you adjust it, come to network and sharing center. And then come to change adapter settings, and then you can come and then adjust this, and then come to Wi-Fi and then right click. Once you right click, come on properties, and then from the properties tap on configure, and then once you tap on configure, tap on advanced, and then as you can see by default it is set to wireless mode. You can scroll down and then choose the UAPSD support mode. And then after choosing that mode, just click on OK, and then your internet will be super fast. That's it guys for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.